Welcome to CryptoCoins, where we review the best coins for you.
Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. My name is Chris and today we have a very interesting project to talk about. We are talking about DeFi, the literal project DeFi. We've talked about them before, but it's been a while. So before we get into any of it, just a reminder that I am not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. I'm simply here to bring you different forms of entertainment. Sometimes it's going to be, things that I think are just interesting, things I think you'll be interested in. Sometimes it's AI, sometimes it's crypto, sometimes it is different things going on in the world, and sometimes it's just, a chair review. We've done a couple of those now. So with that all out of the way, today we are talking about DeFi. So as you can see right here on the banner, first thing whenever you jump in, they have something coming soon. So there's some kind of big works going on. But before we get into that, just kind of a refresher on what DeFi is. It's a team of 50 people that has been building up over the past 5 years. Their product is used by over 3 million different users. I mean, you can literally see everywhere from their investors. They have tons of investors, DEX tools, their angels. You have it being backed by the directors of Coinbase and Binance, as well as OKX VC. So perhaps you might even see a listing on those leading exchanges coming soon. Its reputation definitely precedes it, used and trusted by CoinGecko, Gecko Terminal. So a lot of big names here as well. They have testimonials from founders and directors of Binance, Polygon, Matter Labs, Phantom, a bunch of big ones. At DeFi World 2024, 2 weeks ago, they were present with speakers of 70 plus tier 1 projects. Not only is it leading DeFi, but it's literally named DeFi, like that's its Twitter handle and its actual website name. What a domain to have. It is also currently listed on 17 large exchanges, including Bybit and QCon, MEXC, BitGet, BitTrue, so CoinEx. It's listed pretty much everywhere, it feels like. Certainly more than most projects. Now, as I mentioned a moment ago, there's something big going on. I don't know exactly what it is, but I have an idea. But you can see here, 13/12/2024, that is super soon. 5 years of work, half a decade to shift history, to own 2025. And you can even see on their banner back here on their main page, something is coming soon, 13/12/2024. And I think I might have an idea of what it is. So with this huge product release, I think if we go to their actual roadmap, you can actually see DeFi GPT, an AI agent, no analog AI agent helping you, no analog AI agent helping you with everything in Web3. Now, this would be pretty good news, as in pretty much everyone, Forbes, as well as different exchanges, leading exchanges and VCs are saying that AI agents is going to be the next big narrative in Web3. And this can be seen with pretty much all AI agent coins. They are definitely trending upward. Therefore, between those two things, I really think that buying into DeFi token might be a really good move, as I'm very bullish on, and overall, the market is very bullish on AI right now. I don't know, maybe it's just me. I think that AI agents is going to be the next big move. But if that isn't really enough for you guys, I think there's many reasons to be bullish on DeFi. They, for one, have all that backing that I was mentioning at the beginning. A lot of people that are invested in it, a lot of people who use it. But they have developed some things that have seen success in the past, from the DeFi scanner to the DeFi Shield, the security database, where it's cumulative loss and recovered funds, as well as their APR aggregator. So they've just had a lot of success with a lot of the things they bring forward, and with that success is going to bring a lot of attention to this AI. So with the success of the previous things that they've released in the past, what's to say that this AI isn't going to be super successful too and result in another driving trend where a bunch of people end up purchasing DeFi and driving up the price even more? All this to say, I think it's probably a really good time to buy into DeFi. It's already got such a significant backing, and with a big announcement like this coming soon, the AI hasn't come yet, and it said it's coming 2024. I think this is the time to make your move if you are interested in hopping onto DeFi. Now, as always, I always recommend you do your own research. If you are interested in this, we will have links in the description for you to go check it out yourself. I think it will be worth your while to do so, but as always, utilize your own due diligence, do your own research. Only you can determine, your financial place in the market. But honestly, I think this could be big. So let's all just kind of cross our fingers and see what happens. I'm pretty bullish on it. I think it will be a pretty good result for anyone who buys in, but who knows? I could be completely wrong, but I'm pretty sure it's going to be this AI agent. And considering the results of their previous things that they've done, I think it stands to be pretty optimistic. But that's all I got for this video. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below, and we'll see you in the next one. Peace.